All right, so here is a video for day 6 and 7, 2.1, part A, question 5. So I've just pasted a picture of the question in here. Question says that A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon and O is its center. Let vector A equal OA. So we know that this vector right here is vector A. It's important that we note that the tail is at the O and the head is at point A. And we're going to say the same thing. It says that vector B is OB. So vector B looks like this. They want us to rewrite vector A, B, OC, CO, and AE in terms of A and B. So I'm going to do AB with you. So we're going to start at A and end at B. So what this means is that when I'm trying to find this vector AB, and maybe I'll just use black, I'm going to have to go over it here. I need to start at the tail and end at the head. So I need to write a vector that is an addition that looks like this. This plus this. Or if I was going to write it out, it would be AO plus OB. So if I look, AO is not a vector that's given. They gave me vector OA. So OA is vector A, which means that AO would be vector negative A. And then plus OB, which is vector B. So I could say that vector AB is equal to negative A plus B. I actually think in the solutions, I don't know, I don't have it open, but I think they might say B take away A, but these are the exact same, so I would just have to look at my coefficients here. So I would have a B take away A. I can go through the next one too, just as another example. So let me just erase some of this here. All right, so again, I have, that was really messy, very sorry about that. I have vector OA as vector A, and I have vector OB as vector B. If I was trying to find vector OC, so this vector right here, I would say, and I have to start at vector O and end at C, I would say that it is this combination right here. So I could say that it is equal to OB plus BC. Now there are multiple ways to get these answers. I could have said, I'll use an even different color. I could have said OD plus DC. Either way, you're going to get the same result. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to say OB plus BC is the one that I'm going to work with. I know that vector OB is just vector B. And then BC is this down and to the left vector. It is the exact opposite of my vector A because vector A goes from O to A, so up and to the right. So this is actually going to be a minus A. So this is the answer for OC. So I hope this helps. If not, let me know and I will go through another couple examples with you, or we can have a one-on-one meet through virtual classroom.